Let's be honest, no farmer really love packing poo, cleaning and everything involved in this process. This is the most difficult part of the farming, especially if you're using deep litter. You gas clean to avoid storage that touches your money. Anyway, this journey has really been a fun one for me. The experience is really a happy one. All this boils down to my dedication to these babies. I take them as mine. I love them. I took care of them. And in return, they will make me smile at the end of the day. You see, this business don't go one side. You are not the boss. You serve these little ones you are seeing here. At the end, you will reap your reward. Guys, make sure you clean. For cleaning, we save you a lot from unwanted disease breakouts. As for the bedding, my preferred bedding will always be wood shavings. That's my top one. So tell me, what's your preferred bedding? See you guys on the next one.